Hey everyone, and welcome to church. Take a look at what's coming up here at the Salvation Army Newcastle Worship and Community Centre.
Following today's service, please stay around for fellowship lunch. Come and enjoy a bite to eat and get to know each other better. Join us tonight from 6 in the foyer for Cafe Church. Enjoy a cup of coffee and hot chocolate and a relaxed way to worship and learn about God. The First Family Connect will be on this Wednesday from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. This is a fun time for families to come along and learn about God in a creative way. Please see Tracy Isles for more information. Ladies Fellowship is back on Monday, February 18 from 7:30 in the foyer. It'll be a fun DIY night. Learn how to do some jobs around the house. This is a night for women of all ages. Please see Kerry Morgan for further details. Seating can be arranged for husbands for this entertaining night. The Aquatics Carnival is coming up on Saturday, February 23 from 4 p.m. at Swansea Pool. There are races for all ages and swimming abilities. Bring your family, bring your friends, and bring your swimmers.
Please make sure that your phones are switched to either off or silent, and no Facebook during the sermon, but words with friends is okay.
Men's Fellowship have a tour of the SEG planned for Saturday, February 16. If you're interested in being a part of this group, please let Danny Holland know. Prime Timers is back on Tuesday, February 26 and will be entertained by the Newcastle Gospel Singers. On March 26, Prime Timers will be going on a boat cruise. Please give Ken or Glenys Isles $20 before March 3 if you want to be a part of this cruise. The Hope Support Women's Group has recommenced and meets every Tuesday at 12 p.m. All women are invited to come along and be a part of this support group. Please see Lil or Heather for more information. Mainly Music is back on this Tuesday at 10 a.m. On Friday, March 1 and Saturday, March 2, we have the opportunity to collect at the Newcastle show. If you're able to help at any time during those days, please let Scott know. If you notice someone missing that would normally be here, pick up the phone and give them a call. Next Sunday we have two services, 9:30 and 11 a.m. Kids can join in the fun at Sunday school during the first. And come along and join us for our pre-service prayer meeting at 8:30.
Feel free to ask any questions that you may have after today's service, and for any more information about what's going on, you can check out our newsletter, our website at salvos.org.au/Newcastle, or like us on Facebook.